Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Attorney Elaine Antonio Bordeaux. My YouTube channel is Atty E, Immigration Lawyer. In today's topic po, pag-usapan natin the new public charge rule. Actually, marami akong mga kliyente na nag-request ng information about this. Okay? How does the new public charge rule affect you? Ano ba itong public charge rule? Actually, itong new public charge rule effective February 24, 2020. 2019 pa ito, but then nagkaroon ng litigation, nagkaroon ng injunction, and then natapos na po yung injunction. At ito pong new public charge rule ay nag-a-apply effective February 24, 2020. So pag-usapan natin how does it impact you, yung mga nandito sa Amerika at yung mga nasa consular processes. So itong new public charge rule will apply to both yung mga nag-a-adjust, nag-change ng status, as well as yung nagko-consular process. So right now, we're going to talk about general information muna. And then in the next episodes, we're going to talk about the effect of this new public charge rule on consular processing. Okay? Disclaimer muna tayo. This presentation is for educational purpose only. This is not meant to replace a consultation with a qualified immigration lawyer. No attorney-client relationship is formed by watching this presentation. To know more about me, isa po akong abogado since 2008 in New York. Ang practice ko po ay focus on U.S. immigration and nationality law. I'm from the Philippines, as you know, so I'll be speaking in Tagalog and English. Ang purpose po natin is to educate our kababayans on what's going on in immigration. Ang daming pagbabago. Okay, let's proceed. Public charge. Dito sa new public charge rule ay nagkaroon ng definition. Ito sabi, an alien who receives one or more public benefits for more than 12 months in total within 36-month period. So kung nakatanggap ka ng public benefits, okay, and for more than 12 months in total within 36-month period, you're defined as a public charge. Anong epekto niyon? We're gonna talk about that, okay? So sabi dito sa new rule na to, nag-a-apply to dun sa mga likely to need financial assistance from the government kasi ayaw doon ng gobyerno na yung mga magmamigrate, either magtatrabaho, temporary or permanent, pagdating dito ay magiging burden ng US government. Sino ang covered ng rule na to? Kung employee ka, yung mga temporary or permanent. Temporary, like yung H-1B, yung mga non-immigrant visa holders, mga tourist visa holders, student visa holders, you're seeking to remain, yung mga nandito na mag-change ng status, mag-adjust ng status, mag-extend. You're not in the exempt categories, so later on, we're going to talk about kung sino yung exempt categories, and you're filing your application on or after February 24, 2020. Ngayon po, dito sa new public charge rule, ay may mga factors na kinukonsider. Kung matatandaan natin dati, dun sa mga nagkaroon ng application, affidavit of support lamang from a financial sponsor. Naku, dati nga medyo nahihirapan yung iba to get a sponsor, di ba? Tapos ngayon, nagdagdag pa. So may mga factors na kinukonsider. Ito yung sinama pa. This includes information about your health, family, education, income, assets, liabilities. Kung nakatanggap ka ng any public benefits. So pag-usapan natin kung ano yung mga public benefits na yon. Okay, so ito yung kinukonsider for immigration to determine kung if you're likely to be a public charge. Okay? Anong effect nun? Pwedeng negative, positive, di ba? Negative kung public charge ka, it can result in denial actually. Pero may paraan naman on how to resolve this. Okay? Immigration will not consider, USCIS will not consider application for certification approval to receive or receive certain previously excluded non-cash public benefits. Ito po sila, before February 24, 2020. So yung pecha importante. USCIS will not consider as heavily weighted negative factor receipt of previously included public benefits such as SSI and TANF before February 24, 2020. Right? So, covered po yung mga nag-a-adjust, nag-e-extend, nag-change status. Yung mga seeking admission covered. Later, we're going to talk about kung sino yung hindi covered. Okay, so hold on. So what benefits are problems for public charge? By the way, we want to thank AILA, American Immigration Lawyers Association, for this information. Mga resources po natin ang gagaling sa kanila. Okay, so ito yung mga nakatanggap ng cash assistance for income maintenance, including TANF, SSI, Federal, State, and Local Assistance Program, food stamps, or SNAP, Medicaid, yung Medicaid may exceptions yan. Housing assistance, public housing section 8, housing vouchers and rental assistance. Yun po. Okay? So yung mga nakatanggap nito ay magiging issue po ito. Alright? So ito naman po, ang hindi naman as of now ay hindi magiging issue. Any benefits not on the list earlier are not considered as public benefits. Okay, ito pa yung kunyari, benefits received by the immigrant's family members. So kung meron kang family member, kung ako ang aplikante, it pertains to me, ano? Alright, so kung merong benefits na tanggap yung family member ko na entitled naman sa benefit na yon, ay hindi siya binibilang. Benefit received by U.S. Armed Forces service members, emergency medical assistance, Medicaid, hindi po kasama itong natanggap ng children under 21, during pregnancy or within 60 days of pregnancy, and then yung under the Individuals with Disability Education Act. Health insurance under the Affordable Care Act, Social Security and Medicare, WIC, CHIP, energy assistance, Pell Grants and student loans, workers' compensation, or unemployment benefits and tax-related cash benefits. Okay, so napag-usapan natin kung sino yung covered. Ito naman yung hindi covered sa new public charge rule. All right, asylees and refugees, applicants for U or T non-immigrant status, VAWA, ito yung Violence Against Women's Act, self-petitioners, yung mga inabuso ng U.S. citizen spouse or permanent resident holders, nakatanggap ng benepisyo ay hindi po covered. Exempted po, ibig sabihin. Special immigrant juveniles, applicants seeking TPS or temporary protected status, applicants under the Cuban Adjustment Act. Yung mga U.S. citizens na, including naturalized citizens. So hindi na kayo covered nito. Yung mga lawful permanent residents or green card holders, hindi rin kayo covered kung green card holders na kayo. Pero if you plan to be abroad for more than 180 days, ay makipag-usap muna kayo sa, speak with a lawyer kasi po ay maaari kayong, may epekto po ito sa inyo. Okay? Dahil sa COVID, paano naman to kung say na lay off ako dahil sa COVID, so H-1B worker ako, at nawalan ako ng trabaho, and syempre may pamilya ako, kailangan kong, may mga dapat akong pangangailangan like yung housing, at nakatanggap ako ng benepisyo. Alright, so ito ang clarification ng USCIS. To address the possibility that some aliens impacted by COVID may be hesitant to seek necessary medical treatment. Ito. USCIS will neither consider testing, treatment, nor preventative care related to COVID as part of public charge in inadmissibility determination. So kung magpapatest ka, kung may treatment, may preventative care, wag pong munang alalahanin yung mga ganyang bagay. Go for it. Okay? Mas importante yung kalusugan natin. And of course, yung buhay natin mas importante. At sabi dito sa clarification ng immigration, hindi nila yun i-consider for public charge inadmissibility determination. Alright? Pero, ang totality of circumstances pa rin. So, say, nawalan ka ng trabaho, or nagkasakit ka, or nilay off ka, at napilitan kang mag-avail ng public benefit. Kailangan mo mag-provide ng explanation and relevant supporting documentation. And ang USCIS will take into account all such evidence. Yung pong tinatawag na totality of alien circumstances. Alright? So, if you are found to be inadmissible as a public charge, so kung inadmissible ka, eto po, you may be able to pay a bond and still adjust. So, hindi naman siya end of the world. You can still change or extend your status. You can still proceed, no? Pero pwede kayong i-require na magbayad ng bond. Alright? So, ang payo po natin lagi ay hindi po itong presentation ay replacement sa attorney-client, sa attorney consultation. Pinakamaganda po ay kung nasa ganitong sitwasyon kayo ay kumonsulta kayo sa isang qualified immigration lawyer. Alright? Huwag po ninyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, Atty E, Immigration Lawyer. At ang goal po natin ay mag-produce ng mga videos na mag-educate po sa atin about immigration law. Maraming salamat po. Till next time. Thank you.